Hey everyone, this is Lala Reddy from Abstrakt Music Lab, and today we're recreating the bass line from Tinlicker's track Lost Gravity, and it sounds like this. This is the original recreation. With the Pluck. This recreation started in the first video that I did for Lost Gravity on the art Pluck that you can see here in the top right corner. If you liked the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe if you loved it, or you can leave me any recommendations here in the comment section below. Or if you want to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee, or you can buy my preset pack, also available here in the description below. But enough with the talking and let's get down to business. So we're going to start here with an initial preset from Serum. This one is going to be a pretty simple bass line. We're going to choose oscillator A and oscillator B, but oscillator B is going to be a basic mini, and it sounds like this. Nothing like it, and it sounds horrible, but we're going to further develop the sound with the filter and some effects and a little bit of envelope as well. So let's start here and put oscillator B to 65%. Doesn't do that much of a difference, but we're going to activate the filter and we're going to put A and B. We're going to put the cutoff to 41. I'm going to put this to MG low 12 as it is, resonance to 13, and drive to 19. You basically don't listen to anything, but that's where we're going to modulate the sound with envelope 2. So sustain all the way down. The decay, we're going to put it at 816. And the envelope 2, we're going to modulate here at 50. It's still pretty far from what we want, has a lot of mids over there, but that's important for what we're going to do here in the effects section. So in the effects section, distortion, instead of a tube, we're going to use a hard clip. And in the hard clip, we're going to put the drive to 75%. And the wet, you're going to remain it at 100%. Now, with the filter, we're going to choose here MG low 18. The cutoff, we're going to put it to 18. So we're barely listening to anything. And we're going to modulate this with the envelope 2 at 44. But we're also going to increase the resonance. And we're also going to increase the drive to 22. But if you compare with the original, it still has a little bit more of a tack in the sound. And now we're going to use the envelope 3, a technique that I've used in a lot of other videos. You can see one in the top right corner. We're going to go to the matrix. And in the matrix, we're going to use envelope 3. Envelope 3 we're going to do here, we're going to put the sustain all the way down just to start. In the matrix, we're going to put this to master tune and 15 over here. Now, in envelope 3, we're going to put the decay to 0, and I'm going to go with you just to show you the effect that it creates. So let's play and let's intensify the decay over here. You can see it creates a thump in the sound, and we want this thump at 14, 12 milliseconds. Without it, with. You can see it's a really subtle thump, but it does add up to the sound, and it does make the sound a little bit closer to the original. So if you can listen to the original remake, really damn close. I really like this one, and I hope you liked it as well. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you loved it, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next Abstrakt video. Ciao.